Hello, this is KOKMinistries, Kingdom of Knowledge Ministries, and I'm your host, the teacher. And today, on Avoiding Singleness, I'm telling you that you are single because you are still searching. You are single all these years because you are still searching. It's either you are searching for Mr. or Mrs. Perfect, or you don't know what you are searching for. Most of the times, we don't know what we are actually looking for. We have been searching for a partner for the past 10 years and we have still not landed one. In fact, anyone who comes around is not good enough. Anyone who comes around doesn't fit. Anyone who comes around finds an excuse to leave, or anyone who comes around, we find an excuse to leave. It is either we are looking for Mr. Perfect, or we don't know what we are looking for. Keep saying that there is no perfect partner out there. There is no perfect partner out there. So you need to assess yourself and ask yourself, what is the level of the imperfection of my future partner am I willing to absorb? What is the level of imperfection am I willing to live with? Am I willing to absorb? Am I willing to accept as the person's imperfection? This is something we have to take a decision on. If we are not able to take that decision, we will be going out there looking for Mr. and Mrs. Perfect, and we will find none. We will be out there thinking anyone who comes around is either not good enough or what we are looking for. It is either we are not sure, we are confused, or we tend to think that there is someone special out there made for us. Let me tell you a joke. One of my seminars, a lady said, because God took a rib from Adam to create Eve for him, it also means that she has the rib of his Mr. Right. And therefore, whatever happens when they meet, there will be a connection to show that she holds the rib, or God will do some miracle and reveal it to her. My brothers and sisters, you are too conscious. You are searching for something which does not exist. You are searching for something which is not in existence. And for that reason, you are still single. So we are still single because we are searching for something which we can't find. It is very important for you to sit down, ask yourself, what am I searching for? Ask yourself, what is the level of imperfection I can tolerate? Ask yourself, go through the kind of people you have dated all these years and ask yourself, where did I get it wrong? Ask yourself, where are those partners today? Have they married and are they living better? All the people I rejected, where are they today? Then correct your wrongs. I keep telling you that you can't work on other people, you can work on yourself. So work on yourself for your own good and for a better future. Thank you for watching. If today is your first time, hit the notification button and subscribe to the channel. See you, God willing, same time next week. I'm out of here. Bye.